We're fishing. Nobody likes me, everybody hates me. I'm gonna eat some worms. Cold. Actually, it's not that bad. I can't wait to go swimming tomorrow. Daddy, go fishing. Where's AJ? Wow, I can't see him past you. We'll go for a walk. Cool. There goes this water. I'm wearing mommy's green socks. That's not good. There's AJ. Our little Gordon. There's a bobber. Catch something, alright? You guys both on video. That's my commando. Well, are you sure they're still in your pocket? Are you dying of Alzheimer's? Wool, sand, water, sand, water, May. Do you see them? Dad's there and AJ's there. I was fishing. There they are. Let's go in the river. Oh, the beaver dam. We just knocked one down. Exactly. Where are we going now? Further down here? So where are we going now? Further down here?
Down here a little bit.
Alright, ladies, follow the master. You're gonna lose worms, I think. Hey, pretty. Where's little man?
I'm in the regular way.
Oh! Eyes all fishy!
Where?
Over there somewhere. I also saw Birdie.
I just lost worms.
That worms? Once I got a thorn in my leg and it's bugging me. Oh, never mind. I just picked one out and I found it. Got them. Right, yeah. Ouch. We're going. Bye bye.